Hello everyone, this is Mochi Bunny. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am working on a world project. I'm a world creator and I'm pretty new to YouTube, but I'm really excited to show you my process of building a world from scratch. So let's get started. Oh, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, babies. All right, so first thing you want to do is make sure you have Unity downloaded. And then the second thing you want to do is when you start up Unity Hub, you want to make sure you hit New Project. And here at the top where it says Editor Version, you want to hit 2019.4.31. And then you're going to rename your project and hit Create. Once you hit Create, just give it a moment and it will give you a project that looks like this. So once you have this going, we can get started. Okay, so the first thing I like to do is to put in the VRCHAT SDK, which you can get from the website. So all you have to do is go to vrchat.com and log in. And then on the left side, it'll say downloads, and you hit downloads, and then you download the VRCHAT SDK3. And once you hit that, you're going to import it into the project after it downloads. All you have to do is double click it while this is open and it'll come in, which I've already done. Once that's in here, you'll get this right here. This should say the same options as this right here. If you don't have these options, then that means you've downloaded the wrong one. Make sure you download SDK3. The next thing you want to do is go to the asset store and you want to search for the Sky Series free collection. So this is the paid collection. The free one is right here. So you can go ahead and search this up and then hit import and just wait for it to import and you'll get a ton of skyboxes, which is super lit. So you want to go back to your scene up here at the top and assets, and it's right here, the Sky Series freebies. And these are all the skyboxes and you can simply just drag and drop. Look at this one, so cute. Shout out to Poseidon underwater. You can literally, they're so cute. All you have to do is drag and drop. So once you have the one that you like, we can get started. So you can go up to Window and then hit Package Manager. Once you're here, you're gonna get like a ton of different ones. All you really need is Probuilder. So just hit that down and then hit download install. And once that's installed, it's gonna be lit because you're gonna be able to build with this. So then once it's downloaded, all you have to do is go to Tools and it should be right here and you hit Probuilder window. Boom. You can move this anywhere you want, so you can literally move it right here, you can move it here, you just put it wherever you want. I usually like to have it right here because I feel like that's so much easier. And then you can hit new shape and boom, you have the floor. So I think it starts off as this cube, but you can literally just change the shape right here. And of course you want a floor, so this will be great. And if you know like what dimensions you want, you can totally do that, but I just like to hit build and then I like to use these tools at the top. This, if you hit it, and there's these different tools right here. You can like rotate with this, you can make it bigger, you know, stuff like that, but typically I like to leave it where it's at, and you can also drag on the sides and stuff like that with these tools here at the top. These tools right here are super important. So like, let's say you want to do something with the edge. You can literally just hit this at the top and you can click these right here. So let's say you just want to like move this part, you can right here and then just pull it up. Like, isn't that cool? You can make a lot of cool shapes and stuff like that. If you want to select more than one, all you have to do is hold shift and then click. And then now you can pull up like the whole thing like that. So it's pretty lit. You can do stuff like that, or if you want to take entire like sections, you can select that, but you have to click this tool right here, the face selection, and you can pull up. So if you're really good at molding things, let's say you've done pottery, IRL, or things like that, and you know how to like design, you can always create new designs this way using these tools. And then this one right here, Vertex Selection, it's literally the points. So if you want to pull certain points, you can pull certain points up. So this is really good for like if you want to just like build like Legos. And then of course, if you want to move the whole object, you need to make sure it's on this. A lot of people will forget that this is actually selected or one of these, and they'll be like, oh my gosh, why is my object not moving? And they're clicking this. It's because you don't have this clicked. So make sure you have your object selection clicked all the time. Anytime things aren't moving, just make sure it's set on that. So you have it here. Alright, the next thing we want to go over is the hierarchy right here. So this is your hierarchy. This is where all your objects are going to be. You can rename this. So if you want this to say floor, literally organize your hierarchy. I'm so bad with organization, but I will try my best to organize with this project itself. Okay, so this is part 1. We've learned how to set up the project, we've learned how to put it in the Skybox, and how to get our object in Probuilder and get our floor on here. So the next video, we're going to go over texturing, and we're going to actually start to build it out, and we're going to like make everything look really cute. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video for part 1, and make sure you subscribe and like this video so we can go to part 2.